I see Georgia, I see sunshine headed my way. I feel love like no other, a baby and a mother, sweetest thing that I'll ever be. When I hold you close, I hold everything. Every breath you take, a song I'll sing. I'll find love like no other, a child with my lover, sweetest thing that I've ever seen. Georgia ain't that far away, and I know it. She's been showing up at my door, tugging at the sleeves of our indifference and begging us to get back to before. When I look at you, I see Georgia.
Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. If you have made it this far in this video, I thank you so much, and please put some bubbles in the chat to let me know if you made it this far. Y'all, my son's trying to talk with me, but my soap frosting, it was very humid in my office, and it did not get as thick as I wanted it. So yeah, this is what we have. It still came out a beautiful design, but I really wanted it more precise. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Make sure you guys put bubbles in the chat if you have made it this far in the video, to show your support and let me know that you watched the video all the way through. Make sure you subscribe and follow so you can see the cut. I am so happy and I cannot wait to cut this up with you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below and let your girl know what you think about the soap video. And also, what did you think about the songs that I had? Do you like more of the instrument songs, or do you like more of the R&B and hip-hop songs? Me, I'm more of the instruments, but I know my video do move kind of fast. So comment down below and let me know your thoughts and opinion. And make sure you shop StylesbyLailani.com, StylesbyLailani.com, and get you some all natural bath and body care. And make sure you follow me on TikTok at StylesbyLailani, all one word. Thank you. Bye.